Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you the Joymoop Flat Mop. And so what this comes with is that you have a two-chamber system right over here. So you have the dry side, and then you have the wash side is what they call it. So if you can imagine, the wash side is this side right over here, and the dry side is this side here. Here you have your flat head mop. And this side goes up, and this has an auto flat feature. So what I mean by that is it's automatically going to retract like that. And with this, you basically put this into the wet side. So the wet side is where you're going to fill to the max line right over here. So you're going to fill this portion with water and floor cleaning solution. And then you can dry it for as how dry ever you want it. So usually 3 rings should dry this mop out pretty well. Now, you do have the handles here, which are included, and you also have 2 extra flathead mops here as well. But overall, I'd say that this is a really neat mop. This one recommendation is that do make sure that you wet this beforehand so that it's a lot easier to actually place into the mop bucket. But overall, this is my second Joy Mop flathead mop, and I'm very pleased with it.